Behind his smile, waves his malice through the wood. It goes without saying, it's understood. The pain begins when we are born. We each wear a crown of thorns. Please remember all I say will vanish when we turn away. So beg nothing more than scorn. We'll wear a crown of thorns. Loveliness is far from free. For every gentle touch a fee, for every kiss a pebble falls. Behind bright eyes darkness crawls. Here comes the cow with the crumpled horn. We'll wear the crown of thorns. Please remember when you pay your final bill on your last day. It does no good to bow and fawn. We'll wear a crown of thorns. Pain remembered, pain forgot. The merest stain, the cruelest plot, the crooked style, the tangled blade keeps us forever in the shade. Here comes the maid.